to extinction. The future for the little spotted kiwi is bleak. Perched on the edge of a cliff, if help is not provided, they will have the same fate as the dinosaurs. Death. With introduced species such as stoats, weasels, feral cats and possums, the world's smallest kiwi doesn't stand a chance.
Their life, however, has not always been this way. Once, long ago, before the Europeans came to New Zealand, the kiwi roamed free. With little to no natural predators, the kiwi was plentiful.
Here at Huapai School, we believe that the little spotted kiwi represents respect. Its determined and soft-hearted nature is what we all strive to achieve. The little spotted kiwi's fate rests in our hands. We must change our ways before they are lost forever.
Show your support by voting with us!